I'm Ryan Hain, and this is my wife Wanda Hain. We, in 2020, purchased the Lee's Famous Recipe in Wapak. And we now own locations in Wapak, Delphos, and St. Mary's. I think Lee's was a fit for us because it's some of their philosophies really align with Wanda's and mine, in that we maybe kind of old school, if you will. Although it's a quick service restaurant, we still like to engage our customers and touch tables.
There's a huge market for catering, lots of industry, lots of businesses that order from us. We are very proud of that we are involved in the communities in which we do business, and part of giving back to the schools is we offer a concession program, which is a fundraiser for the schools.
Having not owned our own business prior to Lee's, we were introduced to Kathy through our accountant.
There's a phrase, you don't know what you don't know, and there were a lot of things that Kathy helped us with that we didn't know that we needed to have in place. And if there was something that we were doing and she knew of an easier way to do it, she was always offering suggestions like, oh, you know, if you get in touch with this person, they can help you with that, or you know, what you're doing, that'll work, but there's a way to do it that will save you a lot of time and energy.
And I think the cool thing with Kathy and SBDC that we have experienced is it's not like a once you're done, you're done. Like we've been in business for 4 years. We still talk to Kathy on a regular basis. She's been very enjoyable. Kathy is more not such a business contact anymore, but she truly is she's very much a friend to us and our business. So
it's a great resource. It's a free resource. It's not like she sends us a bill every month. And I think what's nice is that it's customized to each person, to each business. It's not one size fits all.
Sometimes I feel like we may still be writing our business plan had we not had Kathy, and now we're 4 years into the business, So when you do enter into your own business and you've made that decision, it's certainly good to have people like her on your side.